Hi, ladies. Today is May 29th, and we are on page 78 in our packet for today. So Jack has $96.72. Over the weekend, he spent $37.50. How much money does he have left? So Jack has $96.72, and over the weekend, he spends $37.50. And we want to know how much money he has left. And I really want you to think about that word left. So how much money he has left. All right. And think about what that word left is telling us to do. So in Jack's pocket, he has $96.72. He goes to the mall, he spends $37.50. How much money does he have left? So does our amount that we have left, is it going to be greater than $96.72 or less than $96.72, and why? So if he has this amount of money and he goes and spends some money, I want you to think, if I'm spending money, am I putting more into my wallet, or am I taking it out and giving it away? And where does that leave my wallet? Does it leave me with more money than I started with, or less money than I started with? And how do I go from $96.72 to how much money I have left? Do I have to decrease that amount by $37.50? Am I increasing it? And what does that mean to have some money left? Are we finding the difference? Are we finding the total amount that we have here? So when you go to the next part where you are solving this, I really want you to think, what are we trying to figure out? And how do I use an equation, or how do I use an operation to help me solve this problem? So at this point, go ahead, make sure that you're working through each section of your CGI paper. And then once you are you've completed the entire page, go ahead and unpause and we'll check the work together. All right, ladies. So we're talking about how Jack has some money. So he had $96.72, and over the weekend he spends $37.50. And we want to know how much money he has left. So at this point, we know that in his pocket he has a total of $96.72. So that's really important. He has a total of this amount. And then he spends money. So if I spend money, I'm getting rid of it. I'm not putting more into my pocket. So we want to know how much he has left. All right, so I have that $96.72. And that's going to be the amount that I started with, which means this is going to be my whole. This is my total, okay? So then I go to the store and I spend some money. I spend $37.50. Okay, so now I want to know how much money is left. So we know that these two amounts are going to equal this amount. So I want to figure out how I can use my whole and the amount that I spent to figure out what is left over. Okay, so if this is my total, I want to find the difference between these two amounts, which means I'm going to subtract, making sure that I'm lining up my decimal as I'm subtracting. All right, so the decimal needs to be lined up in each place value. So the hundredths, tenths, ones, and tens all need to be lined. Now I'm going to subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. I can't do 6 minus 7, so this becomes an 8. This becomes 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 8 minus 3 is 5. So now I want to check my work. I want to do the opposite, which means I want to take these two amounts and add them together to check and see if it equals my total. Because remember, these two amounts should equal this if we add it together. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. Make sure that decimal gets brought down. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So if we're looking at that, we have the same, which means this is correct. Another way that you could check your work is you can take these two numbers and subtract, and it should give you this, because this minus this will also equal this. I'm going to take $96.72 and subtract $59.22. And this should give me that $37.50. 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. Bring down your decimal because my decimals are lined up. I can't do 6 minus 9, so this becomes an 8. This becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 8 minus 5 is 3, which is correct. So the amount of money that we have left after going shopping is $59.22. And the equation that I use to solve that is going to be $96.72 minus $37.50. And that gives me my difference of $59.22.